This is the Rode accessory pouch. It's a 3.5 litre welded pack with a zip top opening. It has an internal front slit pocket for dividing certain items inside. It has a front reflective strip, and it uses our fast fix TPU strap system to fix in multiple ways onto the handlebar of the bike. You can mount the accessory pack on the handlebar bag as shown in this configuration, or you can mount the bag in this configuration directly to the handlebars. So inside the bag you'll find the accessory pouch, 3 small TPU straps, 3 medium and 3 large. These are all for fixing the bag to the handlebar pack, and the small ones can be used for fixing the accessory pouch straight to the handlebar. So we recommend that you first fix the straps onto the back of the pack. You can do this with the hooks. Here we've used a set of short and a set of long. We recommend you use the short on the top, and then you can either use the long or the medium straps on the bottom depending on how tightly you want the pack. So 2 hooks underneath the bag. The best thing to do is firstly to hook on underneath with the 2 longer straps. And then to bring the bag up and move the straps under the handlebar. Once you have the strap under the handlebar, you can then pull over and fix the strap in place, and on the other side. To mount the accessory pouch directly to the handlebars without a handlebar bag underneath, fix the 2 shorter straps on the lower hooks like this. Take the pack, mount it directly to the handlebar, pull the straps over the hooks like so.